Welcome, Dr. Amanda here from the Retirement Income School. Have you ever had the thought, why didn't they teach us about money in school? We learned so many different things in school, yet we didn't learn one of the most important things: how to earn, accumulate money, how to decumulate money during the retirement era of our lives, and how to prep for retirement in a way where we have secure, guaranteed lifetime income. Retirement is very complex. Whether you're in your 30s, 40s, 50s, or beyond, and you're thinking about how you're going to generate retirement income, there are a lot of questions that you've got to start to consider. Things like, will my money last? Savings needs to last decades, and there's a lot of uncertainty about how to withdraw and spend. You might be asking yourself, do I have enough? You've got to consider longevity, Social Security claiming, withdrawal rate risk, long-term care costs, tax strategy, and more. You're probably wondering, will my family be protected? Will my spouse be okay? What about leaving a legacy? Will market volatility restrict my retirement? Will the market do what I want it to do at the right time? This has to do with sequence of returns risk and when you're taking money out of the market. You might also be asking yourself, how do I turn my assets into lifetime income? How can I build up enough assets and turn them into guaranteed lifetime income? Now, this one is interesting because a lot of people focus on the accumulation and ROI instead of thinking, how am I actually going to turn those assets into income? And that's what we really want in retirement. We want to have money to spend and to enjoy so that we're not freaked out when we're moving into the retirement phase. These are overwhelming questions, and the complexities pile up quickly. There's growing uncertainty, and each unanswered question increases our anxiety. Not feeling like you have the answers can actually feel life-threatening. Even if you have a ton of money saved up, not knowing how to create income from it or how much is safe to take out of your savings is going to cause you stress. And we all know that when we don't have enough money, life can feel very uncertain and scary. That's why I created the Retirement Income School YouTube channel. This is my educational platform to help you understand the gaps that school left behind, probably the things that you never learned at all in school. I want to be that support system for you. I want you to have clarity. I'm going to provide you with clear, actionable retirement strategies so you can have confidence to build security through proven methods. And you're really going to get the answers that you wish you would have gotten in school. The reason I care so much about the school is because my dad passed away recently. When my dad passed away, we had spent the months prior setting my parents up with their will and trust, making sure their life insurance was in place, and I'd helped my mom and dad get an annuity. So when my dad passed, my mom had financial protection. I can't tell you how relieving this was to give her peace of mind. She knew she had guaranteed lifetime income. She had a life insurance payout. Her will and trust was in place, so everything was secure, and she knew exactly how to allocate the funds. Things were a lot easier because we had set this up. I can't tell you how nice it is to have all of that in place when you're in a grieving process. Here I was losing my dad. My mom lost my dad. They had been married for 51 years, and there was a lot that we needed to sort through. It was amazing to be able to have this safety, this security, this guaranteed comfort in the financial aspect of my dad passing. And so this caused big life and business pivots for me. At the time when my dad passed, I was a business coach, and I had started dabbling in the financial world, helping people with annuities, life insurance, Social Security, wills and trusts. And I realized how complex retirement income planning is. I started geeking out on everything I could, learning about retirement planning. And because I was helping my parents, my mom started sending me clients, and I started talking to my business coaching clients, and they were interested too. Very quickly, this snowballed into me deciding to go full-time into retirement income planning. I'd been a business coach for the last 6 years, and I thought, okay, I'm ready to pivot to helping people with retirement income planning because this is my next place where I really want to help the world. I focus on safe money solutions in retirement income planning because this security, this comfort felt so important to me. And it is critical to have that foundation set when you're moving into retirement. Whether you're younger or older and planning for long-term retirement, there are amazing strategies to make sure that you've got the foundation set so that when you retire, you feel safe, secure, and you can actually enjoy retirement. The reason safe money matters is because without guaranteed income, you have constant anxiety, you fear running out of money, you stress during downturns, and you hesitate to enjoy life because you're afraid you might run out of money. I had a conversation with someone who watched their mom do this. She was looking at the market every day and worried about her portfolio going down because she hadn't set herself up with these safe money solutions. She worried all the time and didn't spend her hard-earned money. She died and didn't do the things she wanted to do because she didn't have the safe money solutions in place. With safe money solutions, you have predictable monthly checks, peace of mind, confidence to spend. This gives you true retirement freedom. What an awesome feeling. So without guaranteed income, everything feels stressful. With a safe money foundation, you can finally relax. And that is what this is all about. So what you're going to learn in the retirement income school is about dividend paying whole life insurance, annuities for guaranteed lifetime income, long-term care coverage, Social Security, wills, and trusts. These are the things that make up a solid foundation for safe money solutions. And so this school is about what you wish you'd learned in school. It's going to give you 100% peace of mind, complete financial confidence, zero money worries because you have freedom from financial stress, and it offers you solutions for 24/7 protection so you have around-the-clock security. So here's what to do next. Subscribe to the channel so you can get weekly lessons delivered directly to your feed. Turn on the notifications so that you have alerts and never miss out. If you want to talk to me, schedule a retirement income Q&A call by going to retirementincome.school, and you'll see a button at the top of that page to have a call with me. I look forward to hanging out with you here in the Retirement Income School, where you're going to get safe money solutions to retire financially relaxed.